Today I am going to discuss with you people about holding company. What is holding company? What is subsidiary company? Who is majority shareholder? Who is minority shareholder? Which account will be prepared by holding company and subsidiary company? Okay. And I hope everyone will be fine at your home in this pandemic situation, because this is very critical time is going on. Everyone knows, so take care of yourself and your family members. So let's begin with our topic, and that is the holding company. So we will understand what is meaning of holding company. So when any company purchases assets and liabilities of other company, and if it is more than 50%, then that company is called as holding company. So what is condition in the holding company? Holding company should purchase share of another company more than 50% shares it should purchase. And who is subsidiary company? So those company who transfer its assets and liabilities to another company, that company is called as subsidiary company. So subsidiary company may be one company, or it may be two company, or it may be three company. So role of holding company is very important, because afterwards all the rules and regulations of the company will be followed by mostly holding company, and sometimes it follows by mutual agreement of holding company and subsidiary company. So holding company may purchase 51%, 70%, 80%, 90% shares of any other company. Now, after purchase, shareholders will be divided into two parts: shareholders of holding company and shareholders of subsidiary company. Now, first we will understand who will be majority shareholder. So, shareholders of holding company is called as majority shareholders because they have more share rights, and shareholders of subsidiary company is called as minority shareholders. So when we will prepare account, at that time we have to prepare with ratio. What will be the profit? We have to divide it to shareholders of holding company and subsidiary company according to ratio of purchase. Now one account will be prepared by the holding company, and that will be the consolidated account. In that account, all the account of holding company and subsidiary company both will come. In the next lecture with different topic and with different important things. Hey guys, if you like my this video, then please like and subscribe it, so that you will get notification in your mobile, and press I button which is already appear in the top of the screen.